Hello students, today we are going to see some points and some questions of chapter number 8 and 7 which is come in our unit test. So see question chapter number 7 cubes and cube roots. So here some words to know given perfect cube numbers. This is the definitions of perfect cube. So a number which is obtained by multiplying another number by itself thrice. How many times? Three times. Okay. A number which is obtained after the multiplying itself three times. Okay. So it called perfect cube number. Cube root. A number that when multiplied thrice by itself give a perfect cube. Prime factorization, a method of finding the prime factors of a number. Okay, this is the method to find factors of a number, but all that factors are prime. Okay, not composite. Prime factors. So a method of finding the prime factors of a number. Clear, students? Now see, the ones digit of a cube of a numbers ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 remain the same. Okay, no any change. The ones digit of a cube of a number ending with a 2 and 8 are 8 and 2 respectively. 2 is changed into 8 and 8 is changed into 2. Same, the ones digit of a cube of a number ending with a 3 and 7 are 7 and 3 respectively. 3 change into 7 and 7 change into 3. The cube of the even numbers are even and cubes of odd numbers are odd. Okay, how to see? For example, 2 is even number. So when you find 2's cube, that time you have to multiply 2 thrice, 3 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So which number is coming? 8. 2 is even, 8 is even, right? And when you find the cube of 3, that time you have to multiply 3 itself 3 times. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, right? So see, 27 is also odd number and 3 is also odd number. So the cube of even numbers are even and the cubes of odd numbers are odd. Okay students, understood? Now see, choose the correct answer. Which among the following is not a perfect cube? So 9. Okay, 9 is not. Which among the following is not a perfect cube? Okay, 9 is not a cube of any numbers. Okay, see, 1. 1 is a cube root of 1. 8. 8's cube root 2. 27's cube root 3. Right? So the answer is what? 9. 9 is perfect square number. Okay, so it is not a perfect cube number. The cube of 4 is 4 times 3 times multiply 4. So 4 for the 16, 16 for the 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. 64 is our answer. The value of 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36 and 36 6 are 216. The cube of an odd number is always odd number, right? Here already we saw the cube of a even number are even and cube of odd numbers are odd. Okay student, understood? Now see, next question. The ones digit of the cube of a number 10,709 is also 9. Why? Because the rules is what? The ones digit of the cube of the number ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 remain the same. No any changes. So here also no changes. Whatever it wants a place 9. So 9 is our answer. Okay. Now see, completed the table. Numbers and cube of the numbers. So 7 multiplies 7 multiplies 7, which is 343. 9. 9 into 9 into 9, which is 729. 12 into 12 into 12, multiply 3 times. So you will get 1728. 15 into 15 into 15, so you will get 3375. 18. 18 into 18 into 18, so it will 5832. Okay, students? Now see next question. Find the ones digit in the cube of the following number. 748. So 8 comes into 8 change into 2. 1 remains same. 6 also remains same. 7 change into 3. 5 remains same. 4 also remains same. Okay. Now see, each prime factor appears thrice in its cube. A number is a perfect cube if all its factors can be grouped as a triplet. ओके अगर वो ट्रिपलेट हुआ, ट्रिपलेट ग्रुप में हुआ, तब हम उसको क्या बोल सकते हैं? कैन से परफेक्ट क्यूब नंबर. A number can be made as a perfect cube either by multiplying or by dividing it by a suitable number. Right? Okay, students, understood? Now see, we know this sign is the symbol of cube root, right? Square root. For denoted square root, we use these symbols, okay? And for cube root, we write here 3. So this sign is the symbol of cube root. Cube root of a cube number can be found through prime factorizations or estimation, okay? Both way we can found by prime factorizations method and estimation method also. Now see question number 3. Write the digit in the ones place of the cube root of the following cube numbers. So these are cube numbers, and when you find its cube root, so which number will become in ones digits? So we have to find this. So very easy. See here the ones place is 4, so no changes, right? Then here the ones place is 5, so no changes. Same way here ones place is 6, so no changes, right? So 7 change into 3 and 8 change into 2. Okay, here I wrote here 2744. This number is the cube of 14. 2197, this is the cube of 13. 32,768 is the cube of 32. 32 into 32 into 32, then you will get 32,768. Okay, this is 3. 15,625, this is the cube of 25. And 97,336, this is the cube of 46. Okay, when you multiply 46 3 times, then you will get 97,336. Okay, students, this is important for our unit test. Now see chapter number 8, comparing quantities. So here also some words given. This is the definitions. Okay, so ratio means what? It is the comparisons of two quantity by division, right? Proportions. If two ratios are equal, then they are said to be in proportions. When we called the two quantities are in proportions, so see, if two ratios are equal, then we can say, okay, percentage. A number or ratio expressed as the fractions of 100. Okay, fractions of 100% means per 100. Okay, per 100, and it's expressed as the fractions of 100. Okay, see, when you want to write 40%, so that time you have to write 40 upon 100. Okay, 40 per 100, right? Mark price, the price mark on the article. Discount, the price by which the mark price of an item is reduced. Okay, this is the discount, so this amount is reduced from the mark price of particular items. particular articles. Cost price, the cost at which an item is bought, also called buying price. Purchase price, selling price, the price at which an item is sold. Profit, if CP less than SP, then there is a profit in a deal, and profit is equal to SP minus CP. Loss, if CP is greater than SP, then there is a loss in a deal, and its formula is CP minus SP. Principal means what? The money that is borrowed. Okay. Interest, money that is charged for using the principal amounts. Okay. The amount, extra amount which is charged on principal amount, it is interest. Amount, the sum of principal and interest. Okay. The sum of principal and interest is called amount. Simple interest. Interest calculated keeping the principal constant, and compound interest amount for the one period becomes the principal for the next period. Okay. Amount will be the principal of the next period, and here no any type of changes. Okay. Interest calculated keeping the principal constant. Okay, students, understood? Now see the point. Increase or decrease in a certain quantity can be expressed as a percentage. Percentage increase or decrease. This is the formula. Amount of change, maybe it increase, maybe it decrease, upon original amount into 100. MP is the price mark on an item, and discount is the difference between the mark price and selling price. Okay, this is simple. The difference between MP and SP is called a discount. CP less than SP, then there is a profit. Okay, and CP is greater than SP, and there is a loss. CP is equal to SP, then there is no loss, no profit. Okay. Tax. Tax is the amount of money charged by the government on a product, income, property, or various activities such as sales, service tax, and so on. And it is usually expressed as the percentage. Same sale tax, value added tax, VAT, is applicable only on good, okay, and not on service. So on good, the applicable tax is called sale tax or value added tax, and the tax which charge on income, properties, various activities such as sales, service, okay, that time the charge is called tax. Okay. Now, see students, just make the following and choose the correct answer. I will give you to solve it, okay, as the HW. Okay. So from here you can take snapshots and try to calculate its answer. Okay, understood? Thank you. Have a nice day.